Happy Friday. So we're getting ready today to ship a system to the lovely state of Arizona. And we have a vertical mill back here, dosing hopper, blowers, CMBL4, CMBL3. This is the motor to go on the dosing hopper. We have the CMTM 1506 back here, which is the newer style. I still need to make a video of that. It's really cool. It opens up and closes very differently than a regular turbo mill. And some cyclone screeners, conveyors. So I'm gonna make it another video of this here. It's a really cool design, so we're gonna save that for a different video. And then obviously the panel boxes. So anyways, stay tuned. I can't wait to make a video of that in operation, and it's gonna be pretty exciting. It's a new, pretty neat project. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy Friday.